Hey guys, it's Travis again. I'm about to install some new flooring and I have to remove this quarter round trim. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove that quarter round trim without breaking it. If you can remove your quarter round trim without breaking it, you can save money by not needing to buy a new quarter round. If you're working with painted trim, the first step is to score this caulk line with a utility knife. If you don't do this, you will have a lot more damage to the paint on the baseboards. Next, use a hammer and a putty knife to start working the trim away from the baseboard. Take your time. Patience is required if you don't want to break it. Hopefully you will start to see where the nails are holding the trim to the baseboard. Now switch to something a little stiffer like a 5-in-1 painter's tool and start prying the trim away very close to the nails. Again, take your time and be patient. The nails should be parallel to the floor, but they could also be at a slight angle pointed downward like these nails. If your trim is more stubborn, you may have to use a small prybar. Place your putty knife against the baseboard and pry against it so you don't damage the baseboards. If the nails are at an extreme angle, it might be necessary to pry upward. Now that you got it off, go ahead and label the baseboard and the quarter round with a number so you know where it goes when you want to put it back on. Now all you have to do is remove the nails, fill the holes, sand lightly, paint, and then you're ready to reinstall. If you pull the nail from the backside like I just showed you, sometimes there is no holes to even fill. It also may be necessary to remove a couple of nails that stayed with the baseboard. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope it was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave me a comment and hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.